motion in a straight line. We are discussing in the previous lectures, we are discussing various type of terminology which is related to the motion in a straight line. Now the next terminology is coming in motion in straight line is that in the previous lecture we have discussed distance and displacement. Now we are discussing average speed and average velocities. Now we are discussing the two topics, average speed and average velocities. Now first we have to describe the average speed. Average speed is the ratio of total distance to total time. The formula is that total distance upon total time. This is the formula. Now the unit of average speed is distance is measured in meter and time is measured in second, and the unit is meter per second. This is the unit, and average speed is scalar quantity. The unit is meter per second. Unit is meter per seconds, and the dimension is LT inverse. These things we have to remember that average speed is a scalar quantity, unit is meter per second, dimensional formula is LT power minus 1. Now the average speed becomes the instantaneous speed if we write the average speed in the terms of instantaneous speed, then we can see that instantaneous speed is equal to limit delta t tends to 0, limit delta t tends to 0, average speed, the limit delta t tends to 0 and delta x over. Here we can say that this formula becomes delta x over. Here we can say that the instantaneous speed becomes the average speed becomes the instantaneous speed. This is the average speed, and this becomes the instantaneous speed when we are using the limits delta t tends to 0. If the time interval is very short, then we can say that this average value becomes the instantaneous value. If the time instant is very small, then these things we have to remember that, and we can see that instantaneous speed is equal to limit delta t tends to 0 delta x over delta t, and this is right as dx over dt. This is the differential form of the average speed. Now we are discussing the average velocities. Now the term average velocities. The formula for the average velocity is total displacement upon total displacement upon total time, and the unit is, and its formula is all to delta x over, and the unit is meter per. Here delta x is displacement, and this can write as meter per seconds. It is a vector quantity. First we have to remember it is a vector. Second is unit. Unit is meter per second. Dimensional formula is LT inverse. Now we can define the instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is equal to limit delta t tends to 0 delta x over. It means average value becomes the instantaneous velocity when the limit delta t tends to 0. Here we can say that velocity is equal to, this means instantaneous velocity is equal to dx. This is the differential form of average velocities. Now basic terminology which is related to this, you have to memorize these things and also write in this